Okay, so we're gonna check this Patio do Coronel Mesquita. Kind of comes up to this temple area right here, and you kind of got some interesting stuff everywhere in this space too. So you have this little parking garage, or not, sorry, like a, actually it's kind of cool. You got like a little shrine on this side there too. But we're gonna be heading straight down this way. And this is the street that we're at. Look at those coverings. Okay. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is going to be our focus right down that way, so we're going to head on into this little alley and just kind of check it all out. This is where we were at a minute ago. So this is kind of the main street that we're at. There's a nice beautiful colonial building down that way. We're going to head down that way in a minute. Then we're going to head on down this way. Then you can see like a little mountain up at the top there as well. So we're just going to walk down to this little area and just kind of see what's going on. So I think this one you can actually go up to the top, but I'm not 100% sure. But you do have all these little alleys like this. And this is actually more like a patio, I think. Is that wood? So let's kind of walk in briefly. Take a little wood shop there. And I think this might be just a tiny little patio, so it's gonna walk all the way in. Looks like this one has a bunch of, so this is all connected. Is that wood? Looks pretty cool. So we got lots of little stuff around here. So it looks more like a wood shop in that way, in that space. Kids workshop. Okay. Look at this, you got a table from Portugal right there. 1280. Wow. It's kind of cool too. We got another one in there too, British one and a, this is British and Portuguese. It's cool. Okay, let's see what else is in here. So that's that street that we came in on. More little alleys. And it looks like we're gonna have another one right in here. This alley doesn't look quite as interesting, but get air conditioning leakage coming all the way down, landing right on that. Okay, so this is going to be the end of it. Yeah, it looks like, I'm not sure, but looks like you might be able to go up in there a little bit. Oops, there's a cat. So it looks like there's like, they kind of have this as the backyard of this particular place, and then there's a lot of stuff up there. And then I guess that you could actually go up the hill, maybe over here. Looks like there's a little stairwell. Love life. That's kind of cool. So I think you might be able to go up. Let's take a look. Engineering company. So yeah, it looks like there's stairs that go up like that, but it looks like there's a gate right there. So that must be all private property in this space. And I think that's the IFT, Institute of Fashion Technology. It's up on a hill. So we'll just come up to the back of it, and then you can't go any further from here. But it is kind of interesting that Macau has this kind of stuff like this, right? You never really know what you're gonna see. So anyways, we're gonna come back on out. And we're just kind of checking out Macau. I like how there's a lot of places just to kind of sit and relax. Another alley there. So yep, that's the backside of IFT right there. And that's the other little alley that we were just at. Another wood shop business. So yeah, if anybody wants to try to find a woodshop business, it's on Patio Coronel Mesquita. Now we're out at the main street here. Okay. Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha, chiquinha.